Located in the historical village of Totara North on a quarter-acre section, this two-storied, three-bedroom, two-bathroom home has two carports and a workshop. Wrapped in serene bush and privacy and tucked away on the Totara North hillside, this property is all about the view. Amazing views overlooking the serene waters of Whangaroa Harbour in New Zealand's winterless far north, where you can enjoy boating and fishing year-round. The upper level features wraparound water views across the harbour and beyond, from the open-plan living, dining and kitchen area. The double bedroom with its own deck has a walk-in closet. The second bedroom has an adjoining bathroom. Enjoy inside-outside living with doors opening onto the expansive deck. The lower level features a double bedroom, kitchenette area, modern bathroom and separate laundry. Ideal investment property, holiday home or year-round living your dream. Just minutes to Totara North Jetty and all-tide boat ramp, and 20 minutes to Monganui in Doubtless Bay, or 45 minutes to Kerikeri in the Bay of Islands. To view, contact me, Leonie, One Agency Far North.